what happens? Strain produced in a body is directly proportional to stress. That means strain is directly proportional to the stress. So proportionality sign means we can remove it by a constant of proportionality. So how to do that? Strain is equal to stress. Okay. So let me do it in another way. Strain is proportional to stress. That's okay. I will write it in opposite. Okay. I just want to make it easier a little bit. So stress, same thing. I have just reversed the side. Okay. So is it equal to constant into strain, that K is a constant of proportionality. So if you know about it. So this rule is basically called Hooke's law. Okay, so what Hooke's law says that within elastic fluid, stress is directly proportional to strain. Okay, and from this we obtain a constant of proportionality. So I can do it like this: K equal to stress divided by strain. Okay, so this constant of proportionality is basically called modulus of elasticity. Sorry, I will write it. So K is called modulus of elasticity. Now, one thing you just tell me that this K is equal to stress by strain. Fine. Consider two kinds of material. One is steel and another rubber. Okay. Suppose that you have a steel wire and you want to change its length. So, and you have a rubber wire, same dimension, same length, same radius, same volume, same thing. Okay. And you want to change the length of both the materials. Now, it is obvious that in case of steel, you will have to apply more force to produce a change, the same change that you can produce in rubber with a lower force. Okay, in case of rubber, amount of force required to change its shape or size will be lower in comparison to steel. In case of steel, it will be more. Okay, so if you look at this, stress will be, in case of steel, stress is very high. Okay, to produce a string. But in case of rubber, the stress is not that much high to produce it. Stress is very low to produce a particular string. Okay, so that means this K, which is also called modulus of elasticity, that basically represents the strength of the material. Okay, so in case of steel, what happens? More force is required, more stress is required. More stress means stress is high, means K is also high. K large value means stress required to produce a particular strain is very high. Okay, K is large. Similarly, if in case of rubber, I say that the stress required to be formed is very low. So K will also be very low. That means K or modulus of elasticity represents the strength of a material. Okay. So if I tell you that there are two materials, one is A, another is B. For A, K value is 10, and for B, K value is 2. So, and if I ask you which one is stronger, then your answer will be A. Why? Because the elasticity constant for A is higher. So, greater the value of modulus of elasticity, greater is the strength of the material. Okay, this particular concept is basically used while choosing a material. Okay, so you are studying mechanics. Suppose I am giving you a task of making a table which can carry a huge amount of weight. Okay, say means hundreds of tons of weight you will have to carry. So now I have given you a task that you decide the material. I am giving you rubber, I am giving you a wooden material, and I am giving you a steel material. Now you choose out of the three which which one is useful for this purpose, for making a table to carry hundreds of tons of material. Then obviously you will not choose rubber. That is our general conception. Okay, but basically what is the way? You will have to look into their elasticity constant or modulus of elasticity. Whoever has the highest modulus of elasticity, that particular material has a stronger, means highest strength to carry a particular weight. Okay, that means if you give hundreds of tons on it, it will not gain any kind of strain. Fine. So in that case, steel will be the material which is having highest value of modulus of elasticity. So steel is always the choice for heavy construction, like you know that in constructing bridges, buildings. So every heavy task, steel is basically used, because steel doesn't, if you want to change any particularly change in the steel, you will have to apply a lot of weight, okay, a lot of stress, which is not possible in usual way. Right? So this is the concept. So in exam you may be asked that what is the physical significance of modulus of elasticity. So you will have to say that it represents the strength of the material.